Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. We're gonna do a little bit of a yarn haul review. I recently made a giant order at Hobbii.com, not sure how to say it. So I received my yarn and I thought I'd talk about what I purchased, my experience purchasing from them, and walk through what I'm gonna do with this yarn. So if you haven't heard of them, they're a yarn company out of Denmark, and I think sometimes people are a little shy to order from them because their prices are very cheap. It almost seems like a scam. It is not. I've ordered from them before. My experience has always been fabulous. So they had a giant summer sale and I went a little overboard. So we've got this giant thing of yarn, and we're going to talk about the 4 different kinds of yarn I got. And I'm going to start with the lightest weight yarn and work my way up. The first thing I got from them is their Diablo yarn. This is an acrylic mohair polyamide blend. It's a lace weight yarn. You can see the strands are incredibly fine. I am terrified to work with this yarn. I've never worked with lace weight before. I went to a online crochet summit earlier this summer and got really inspired by some lace weight shawls I saw. So I'm going to go outside my comfort zone, and I think I'm going to try and make like a nice lacy shawl with this. So I got 4 balls of this yarn for this project that I plan to do. So that's yarn number 1. It's this beautiful purple color. It's super soft. I'm really excited to try working with it, even if I'm a little intimidated. Okay, so yarn number 2 is Unicorn. Look how gorgeous this is. It's hand-dyed, hand-painted, virgin wool polyamide blend. This actually was sold as a 3-pack. The 3-pack was on sale, which is why I got it. Normally, I think this is like $30 a hank, and it was on sale as part of that 3-pack. So thinking I might do kind of like a lacy shirt effect thing with this yarn, but I'm very excited. I have 3 of these, and it just feels super soft, and the dye on it is just gorgeous. So very excited for this one. Okay, the next yarn we have on the list is this giant yarn cake. Look at this. It's like the size of my cat. This is a yarn called Winter Glow, and it is a they call it a light or a 3-weight DK weight yarn. This is a beautiful wool and acrylic blend. It's super soft, and again, just the colors are gorgeous. It's greens and golds, and it's just spectacular looking. And so my plan for this one is I got 2 of these. It's massive. There's, oh my god, 700 meters or 766 yards of yarn in this yarn cake, which is just gigantic. So I only needed 2, and I'm going to try and make a sweater for my husband because he has gorgeous green eyes with like flecks of gold in them. So it's really going to make his eyes pop. So this, like, look at this. This is the size of my head. It's massive. So again, this is normally about $30, but it was again on sale as part of the Hobbii Summer Yarn Sale. And then last, but certainly not least, I got this Daily Stitch wool blend. It's a tweed, wool blend tweed, so it's a reddish with like the little flecks in it that give it that tweed effect. This is a worsted weight or medium weight yarn. This is an acrylic wool viscose blend, so it's super soft and cozy, and this one is going to be a sweater for me. I got like 7 of these, but again, massive skein. And this is 168 meters or 183 yards in one guy, so pretty decent length, but it's just so cozy. So those are the 4 yarns I got in this yarn haul. I got multiple cakes, hanks, skeins of each. So I got about 7 of these, 3 of this, 2. I only needed 2 of these because they're massive, and I think I had 4 of the Diablo for my little shawl I'm gonna make. So a little bit more about ordering from Hobbii. One of the things I really like about them is that even though you're ordering from Denmark, if you're living in the States, the shipping is super fast. They normally ship within 24 hours. It did get held up in customs for 2 or 3 days, But other than that, I got my yarn within a week, and it came in a massive bag. And one of the things that's super fun about them is that every time you order, they put little candies in the bag. And because my order was so massive, they sent 3 candies. And so my husband really loves that, because every time I order from them, he gets the candy, which is how I bribe him to keep letting me order from them. So yeah, that was my yarn haul. I got all of this yarn. It was about, I want to say it was about $100 for everything I ordered. And it all came super fast within a week. And it's so gorgeous. The colors are all beautiful, and I can't wait to start working on it. So if you've never ordered from them, 10 out of 10 recommend. This video is not sponsored at all. I'm just a huge, massive fan. And I do have another yarn order that is on the way from Crochet.com. So when that order comes in, I'll do a proper unboxing, first reactions video of that yarn when it arrives. So if you've enjoyed this video and you're learning to crochet, go look at my other videos. Otherwise, stay tuned to see what I make with this beautiful yarn I got.